create a show reel about the work you have done. That's a very powerful way to connect with people and show them your work. Why show reel, not some brochure or something long, whatever? Because show reel is quick. The show reel allow people to see things which are emotional, the things which are dynamic, and it will not allow them to lose their attention. That's why reels on Instagram working so well. And when I talk about show reel, I'm not talking about the reel. I'm talking about the video content which represents your projects in a very dynamic and quick manner. It allows people to see a lot of your projects and be impressed within 2 minutes. It will allow you to deliver the content on a very quick, dynamic way and wow people quickly, effectively, and therefore they build their opinion and they want to connect with you next. So when you create your reel, think about the next step, how people can connect with you and what do you want from them. That's where you will build connection, because people will be curious about who is this person and what exactly do they do.